What's up guys, not a torque test for you. This is Toyota Dyna truck. We're going to go to recommended torque, which is 100 pound-feet of torque. Foot-pounds, pound-feet. So, back to front on this one. So, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. This is the opposite way around. Right, they all have 100 foot-pound or more of torque on them. It's a 32mm or inch and an eighth. I don't know. So to undo these, we are in clockwise. This is the M12 CIW12 fuel brushless impact wrench. There you go. Another one. That one will not in fact undo. Still got 2 bars of battery. I reckon due to the fact that they didn't even move when I cracked them at 100, when I tried to do them up at 100, makes me wonder what they're actually torqued to. Let's put them both back, torque them to 100 again and try again. I reckon they might have been a bit rusted and captured on there, just because they haven't been off for about 12 months and this lives in the weather. Okay, take 2. 2 lights of juice left, second speed. So you're not going to rip a rusted on one off with it, but if you're servicing a properly maintained vehicle, you should have no issues. Still them back up and just give them a hit with the torque wrench after I've done them up. And see what torque we get. wrench still set to 100. It's clicking off right at 100, so there you go. M12 CIW12 half-inch impact with a 32mm single hex heavy impact socket. In ideal conditions of maintenance, will undo 32mm truck wheel nuts. So that's I'm thinking 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches is 40 maybe. Someone will correct me. There you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it clears up some misconceptions about the M12 gear. All the tests I've done today with the torque wrench, thanks to my mate Tim, have been with this same 2 amp hour battery. I haven't charged it. You'll see the other previous videos I did with the 21mm socket as well, and yeah, it's still kicking. Thanks heaps for watching. Catch us on the next one. Thanks for subbing. Catch us.